As soon as you boot the CloudTouch, you are welcomed by the home page. At a glance, you can see today's date and time and quick access to Airstream, File Manager, Whiteboard and App Drawer. There's your network and storage notification, and there's a dedicated space to put your company or university logo. You also get the option to change the wallpaper of the display, and setting your company's wallpaper is a fantastic way of customizing your display. To navigate, simply swipe from either side of the panel and you'll see the different controls. You have back, home, recent apps, and inputs to see the list of sources. My favorite of this bunch is annotation, which allows you to draw on top of any presentation or document.